Today you're going to learn about the rules. Rule 1. Actually, we are going to, it should be as under non-homogeneous equation. You're going to find the particular integral. Non-homogeneous equations. It's going to be in the form of f of d into y. It's equals to q of x. In under this, you are having a 5 rules are there. Your first rule 1 will be rule 1, when your q of x, when q of x, it will be in the form of e to the power of ax. And your rule 2 will be when q of x will be in the form of sin ax or cos ax. And your rule 3 will be when q of x will be in the form of e power ax into v of x. Oh, sorry, this is the fourth rule. Your third will be when it is in the form of x to the power of k. K is the constant term. And your rule 4 will be when q of x will be in the form of e power ax into v of x, where v of x is a function of x. V of x is a function of x. And next will be your last rule, that is the rule 5th. It will be when q of x will be in the form of x into v of x. Here again your v of x is going to be the function of x. Yes, is it clear, Aditya? What
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
going
Can you
to
just write
learn
this
under
down?
your
Yes, ma'am.
non-homogeneous equation.
Yes, ma'am. I'll just write this down. Just 2 minutes.
Yeah, right on.
Yes, I'm done, ma'am.
Done. So we'll see now for rule 1. Rule 1, when q of x, it's equals to e to the power of ax. How you are going to find the your pi when your q of x is in the form of e to the power of ax, where your pi formula is equals to 1 by f of d into q of x, which is equals to, where your 1 by f of d is what? Is a polynomial equation in terms of d into, that will be going to differential equation. and q of x is equals to e to the power of ax. What you're going to do? You're going to
Ma'am,
substitute.
the f of d means function of d, right? Or what is it exactly, ma'am?
F
F d?
of d is a differential equation. It's going to be in the
Okay, ma'am. That
form of
same
your
equation.
d square
Yes, ma'am.
y plus d y plus 1. It's equals to
Yes,
some
ma'am.
e
Yes,
to the
ma'am.
power of ax. It's going to be in this form. Where your f of d, this is known as your f of d.
Yes, ma'am.
Differential equation, that is in a polynomial form. And you're going to substitute every d, it's equals to a. From where you're going to get this a? What are the power you are having? E to the power of, this is the a place, whatever the constant value is going to be there, that is your a value. That a you're going to substitute into your f of d, and you're going to see that your f of d has to be not equals to 0. You're going to check after substituting your every d is equals to a, this f of d should not be equals to 0. It's equals to 1 by f of a into e to the power of ax. This is your case 1, where your f of d is not becoming it's equals to 0 after substituting d is equals to a. If it's becoming 0, what you have to do? That will go to the case fails. Your rule 2 will be when when f of a it's becoming 0 after you are substituting d is equals to a, your f of a is equals to 0. If f of a is becoming 0, 1 by 0 is equals to infinity. That cannot be a solution. In that case, you are going to numerator multiply numerator with x, and and differentiate denominator with respect to d, with respect to d. So your pi will become, pi is equals to x divided by f dash of d into e to the power of ax. Again you are going to substitute every d, every d it's equals to a. Then it's going to be what you're going to get, and you have to check that your again f dash of d has to be not equals to 0. It has to be not equals to 0. That is x divided by f dash of a into e to the power of ax. If it's becoming 0, again you have to multiply and differentiate your denominator. If f dash of d it's becoming 0 after substituting every d is equals to a, then again you're going to multiply, then again multiply numerator with x,
Ma'am,
and
this is after, ma'am. This is case two. Again, if
yes,
f dash a is equal to 0, then again we do the same step.
yes, you have to repeat the process. Multiply numerator with x and differentiate denominator with respect to d. You're going to repeat this process until unless your f dash, your denominator should not be equals to 0 or it should become constant. You're going to repeat the process, repeat the process till denominator should not be 0 after substituting every d is equals to a, or it should become constant. Yes, Aditya, the process is clear. What you have to do? The first rule process is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
So shall we see the problem, or did you copy this one?
No, I'm just writing the
Okay,
last one.
okay, fine.